It's not too difficult of a pick. The false gates could do more if they were before the true gates and were better implemented. The main annoyance with the sliders is the fact that my multi-page number 10 flag doesn't quite fit the keyway sideways. And as always with M&C locks, the the drivers are sort of mushrooms and they are a little bit annoying. Otherwise, not too bad of a pick. The sidebars in these are always a little bit sad. They're really thick, which means the true gates also have to be pretty wide, and with the space they use, there's not much room for truly effective false gates. Even if you somehow manage to hit a false gate, if it's somehow, again, before your true gate, it's quite distinct. You'll notice quite easily that it's not the true gate. Like from the side profile, you'll see like the true gate, the false gate is maybe just wide enough, but the true gate is just so wide. Come on. The anti-drill is pretty neat though. It's just hardened, I believe it's hardened steel, just the shape of the keyway. Spacing on the sliders is a little weird though, like the first four are all spaced evenly and then you just have that fifth just hanging off. And the way the pin chambers are angled inwards, that reminds me a little bit of the Lockwood V7, except I don't believe the Bible chambers, I don't think the Bible chambers are drilled at an angle, so it's kind of a shame. Yeah. No, those are actually also drilled at a slight angle. Huh, cool. So it is sort of like a V7, I think. I'll have to look at this bit under a microscope a little better, or a magnifying glass, because they drill the holes through there because it's a modular lock, but they then finish it very nicely so you can't see where they initially put the holes. be drilled. Yeah, no, I think they're drilled at an angle. Huh, cool. The M&C Minos. Honestly, kinda lame. It's just like a condor, but a little different.